Okay, here is my subnet calculator. First of all, I imported shuttil so I could center text in the terminal. I imported colorama so I could add different color text. I imported IP address to help with formatting IP addresses. And I imported OS so I can get the current working directory and save the file there. And time so that I could save the file with the timestamp from the OS. Cool. So let's run it. Name of the network, let's call it network because we are very original here. What is the network IP address and CIDR notation? Let's call it 10.0.0.0/8. Do you want a text copy of your subnets? Let's say yes, because we do. File name, let's just call it subnet file. And you don't have to include the file extension, it does that for you. We just want the name. And do you want a file author in your document? Let's say yes. Enter file author, David Lunsford. How many subnets do you need? Let's say 10. And let's let it go. It takes a minute because it's printing and writing at the same time, I believe. Like I'm not sure how the CPU and how the hardware handles it, but it's kind of I've noticed it runs kind of slow, which is kind of annoying, but it spits them out. All right, that is done. Here's a subnet file, network name, network. Here's all the subnets. Now let's test it. And it passes. There we go. Very cool. Thank you very much. That is it.